Why do you always initiate it?
I just like...
You like winning me, huh? You like winning me?
Yeah.
Me!
Yeah.
Huh?
Did you see how ridiculous that is? He's so fat! Why is he so fat? Double team him with me. I was gonna slap like a girl.
Just grab his neck is his weakness.
His neck. I can't get there.
Just get through the first shot instead of taking these, 8 shots.
Just grab your food right.
Oh. You're an asshole. You're an asshole. You're an asshole.
Yeah!
He's definitely bending my legs like a way they don't bend.
Oh, get out of here, you dragon!
Ryan, help me.
Oh, God! I hate women so much!
We know, Brandon, we know.
Fuck you, asshat!
You won! I'm on the ground, you won! You got me for more than 3 seconds!
My toothbrushing!
My pants are completely down.
This video is in jail.
Yep.
Check out the audio.
I'm trying to get too much padding down there.
Your ass.
I can't believe how abusive he is.
I only did this for that. I'm gonna say it for so long.
Get a haircut.
Brandon, you're mean.
This is mine!
What is that?
His conditioner.
This is ass cream.
Oh.
His ass lube.
That ass kick hurt. Well, Lauren, you'll never ask to fight me again.
Yeah,
You just fight me. Hey, you found the hard ball. I've been looking for this for so long. You're in luck. You have your grandma earrings.
Thanks, asshole. Can I watch myself get dropped?